In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and tap on Privacy section. Now you need to choose Permission Manager and select one of your device's features, like camera. Then pick an app. I will go with Messages and select one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so now I have to click on don't allow anyway in the pop-up and click on the back button. As you can see, Messages no longer have access to my device's camera. But you can also just pick any feature and then an app that you are interested in, like Chrome. Now scroll all the way down and click on See All Chrome Permissions instead. As you can see from here, you can manage all of them only for this app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!